So something else that you could do if you got a student laptop and you happen to have an old TV at home is you can hook those up with an HDMI cable and you can put what's on this screen up over here. So you could turn the volume off so that way it's not interfering with the Zoom that you're on your laptop, and you can project all of the students out to the classroom. If you had an extra webcam, like if there's 2 teachers and you have an extra webcam, you could even put it up here and attach it to this computer. So that way all of the kids on the Zoom could also see out to the classroom to really create some classroom collaboration. If you don't have this, you could also at certain points in the day just switch this button to your computer and you could project the Zoomers up on your board here as well. So I have this old TV that I brought in, and I used an HDMI cord to hook it up back here to my computer. Then what I did was I went to my settings, I clicked on System and then Display, and you'll see that I have 1, 2 displays now. If you didn't have something hooked up, you would just have 1 here. So this right now is my 1, but since my other monitor is on the right side of me right now, I'm actually gonna drag this over so that way it's on that side and click Apply. Now, when I want to share my screen so that I can show students work, it's hard for me to see my students now right here. What I can do is I can drag this over and it will appear over on my other screen. Students can still see it, but it's out of my way, and now I can use my computer and they won't be able to see what I'm doing. You also have to make sure when you share it though, that you're sharing screen 2. So that way it's on that screen. And then they can still see that while I'm writing. And I have my screen open to see the students and to do other things, maybe look at the Nearpod or whatever I need to look at on here. Then as I'm drawing right here, my students on Zoom can see that, and my students in my classroom can see it up on the whiteboard. So everybody is seeing the same thing as I teach.